guys. Oh, wait. So yeah, I'm ready now. Hey, good morning everyone and welcome back to another brand new video. So today I am going to my village for some important work. So let's go together. Yo, stay tuned. So yeah, I just reached home just now and see what I meant. I'll show you. Guys, itu pangishe. Itu pangishe na. Itu pangishe. I just recently reached home and this happened to me. This. Whoa, guys, look at this. OMG. Oh my god. Wow. It's so lobo. Wow. Let's go and hunt. Wow. Yeah, Barbie hair. See? Oh my god. So yeah, let's take it out this one also. Wow, so good. Man paiside. Ito kanto chutu asina holibe. Ito kanto metaside. Ito kani boy ini loisha. Wow. Let's attack this one. Guys, look at the Mount Morashin. View bishi palasna. Ji bishi sun bishi mariasna. Tuurni. Aina visit koribi. Yate manokan bishi aide visit koribole. And I'm having this. It is beautiful flower. Wow. View do man sundar. Ajibi aishide. Postide aina wak na chale do losase. Iti pra awas kuriase. Wukakada shilo kala kamilia. This shijom amok resort je. This is shijo Lonyang village. And ping changa na niye. Jo mokuk chong kana shilain jo mokuk chong. Ijo jengse new jengse and that other one is old jengse. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video from here. So thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting guys. Bye. See you in the next video.